Serikali enene nigeroberetie guchia kobwaterana ni serikali chechi county elio gotingia omoroberi OKOIYWA ase enchera yo koenyorera enengo. Asa abamenye bechi county amadini ayo akoiya barache koenyorera egetari ayo koreng'ana n'omwaziri w'amadini na uchumi y'ebinto biaroche Hassan Joho. Asa tebire wizara eyo nigebwate data chisaine korwa ase chi county chionsi chichikoro kia ase amadini ale hanene mono ethabu. Murikito Linet Nyambane na roboti orwe.
Ase egeikaro gyogukwanera omoroberi Gokinia OKOIYWA kwa madini ekio giakorekana ase county ya Tharaka Nithi ekio gikiranwa negati ye chigavana ne komiti ekorigereria OKOIYWA kwa madini ase chi county nigo omwaziri Jo atebire data eserekari ebwate nigo chikorokia e county ya Tharaka Nithi amonere ya West Pokot nigo chibwate edapu enyinge.
What does Tharaka Nithi have in terms of minerals? If you're looking for copper, you'll find it here. If you're looking for iron ore, you'll find it. Titanium, gemstones, limestone, coltan, thorium, lithium, uranium, RE elements, clays, quartz, feldspar, and construction materials imejaa hapa. And also, we have found some traces of gold that we need to really, we have found some traces of gold.
Omugabana bwe county ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki uyoboigo oromokonyi b'omunyakirogo ase ebarasa y'abagavana nigaruro kuburia guchia ase serikali KOENEKIA abamenyi nkobwaterani gwabare ase omoroberi oyu b'OKOIYWA kwa madini na konyora enengo gwancherero kunde gwensi gotaiyo.
If the minerals that are below where we are not exploited and they come out and we become beneficiaries, all of us, then those minerals are useless. They are not useful to us. We still die of poverty. We still languish in non-development or in that poverty, yet we have a lot of resources below there. And if we don't have the technology ourselves to get them out, then we have to collaborate with those who have technology so that they can be able to get it out. But when they get it out, we'll also wish or pray to be even richer than them.
Omobisa omonene ase wizara iyo Hari Kimtai nigatebire wizara iyo nigegendrete kubeka omukia eri KOENEKIA amachiko ngobekware ayuara chikoba konya abananchi.
And as we are coming, I want to tell you something, the people of Tharaka Nithi, that the minister just gave us directives while we were still airborne on what is happening in terms of mining, especially the quarries, that these quarries will be converted into fish bones. So the Natural Resources Committee of the Assembly of Tharaka Nithi should be thinking of how then we develop this policy.